I live in a small house in Cambridge. There are 2 floors. Downstairs, there is a hall, a living room, a kitchen, and a bathroom. Upstairs, there are only 2 rooms, a bedroom and a study. I also have a small garden. In my bedroom, I have a double bed and a bedside table. There is a lamp on the bedside table. Opposite the bed, there are 2 big windows with blue curtains. There is a desk and a chair in front of the windows. On the other side of the room, there is a wardrobe. In the living room, there is a sofa and a TV. I relax and watch films here. There are some pictures on the wall above the sofa. On the floor, there is a red rug. In the kitchen, there is a fridge, a cooker, a sink, and a table with 4 chairs. The bin is under the sink. I eat breakfast and dinner in the kitchen. The bathroom has a shower and a bath. Next to the shower, there is a basin, and above the basin, there is a mirror. There is a toilet in the corner of the bathroom.